Late model mobile coming at you. Got a 2006 Hyundai Azera or Azera. I don't know how you pronounce it. But is that Azera or something like that? Shop replaced the fuel pump due to a crank no start. They saw a fuel pump circuit code, and it also had this immobilizer transponder error code. So I come and check the power and grounds at the fuel pump. They all good. I can actually activate the fuel pump with a power probe. But the biggest thing I was checking was this P1693 was the immobilizer transponder error. I'm pretty sure these Hyundais, when they have a immobilizer issue, it will shut off the fuel, so it'll crank, but it won't start. After I saw that, first thing I looked at was the transponder, which is this right here that has the lock accessory on start, and this was originally on there. And I've had this issue before where this little ring right here will block the signal from the key, and the transponder won't be able to receive it, and it will basically be in anti-theft mode. So with that being said, if you ever have a crank no start on one of these vehicles, before you even scan it, just make sure they didn't put one of these little cute little rings around the transponder, because that will block the signal. That applies for any car, not just Hyundais. But I just wanted to show y'all that. I'm sure there's other videos about this, but I just wanted to put this video up because that was the issue. They didn't have to replace the fuel pump. They didn't have to have this car sitting for all these days. You just gotta check the codes, and even if you don't check the codes, just, you know, make sure there's no accessories around this transponder. And it's been a little minute, but I'm gonna start getting back on my videos, start showing some of these diagnostics that I'm doing. But until the next time, Late Model Mobile out.